If you're a Spotify user, you've probably listened to a ton of different music this year. Want to see a breakdown of your most streamed songs, artists, and genres? Spotify has it all wrapped up for you. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and I'll be showing you how to access your Spotify Wrapped breakdown for 2019 and for the 2010s decade if you're a longtime user. Now let's get started. To access your year-end Spotify wrap-up, open Spotify and tap See How You Listened in 2019. This will open a slideshow presentation breaking down how you streamed on Spotify this year. Maybe you listened to different music each season. You'll see which artists you streamed the most and how much time you spent listening to their music, as well as your top 5 artists, how many countries your music came from, the top genres you listen to, and your top most streamed tracks. Your top 100 songs will automatically be put into a personalized playlist called Your Top Songs 2019. This will be added to your Spotify library for easy access. This slideshow also features your favorite podcasts, breaks down new artists you loved, then gets into how much time you spent streaming on Spotify over the years you've been a user. Since we're coming to the end of the 2010s decade, Spotify is also letting us know what tracks defined our decade. You'll see your top song and top artist for each year you've used Spotify, plus your overall top streamed artist of the decade. At the very end, you'll see a quick overview of your top artists, songs, genre, and minutes listened for the year. If you scroll sideways, you'll see the same kind of breakdown for the decade. If you want, you can share this breakdown with your friends on social media. Tap Share Your 2019 to open the options. Then select where you'd like to share it. After watching the rundown through once, you can replay it from the beginning if you want to see any of the info again, and even share individual slides on your story to let your friends know what you listened to this year. If you want to relive your year or decade in music by listening to the top tracks, you can easily access them by tapping Library in the bottom menu. Then you can tap either Your Top Songs 2019 or Best of the Decade for You. The 2019 one is specifically your top streamed songs, while Best of the Decade is a curated selection of popular songs of the decade based on the genres you like, so it's not entirely personalized. That's all it takes to use Spotify's year-end wrap-up feature. Comment below what your top songs, artists, or genres were for this year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.